What if I told you that the man who betrayed kings, revolutionaries, and emperors ended up saving France? His name was Charles-Maurice de Talleyrand, and he's one of the most ruthless, brilliant survivors in political history. Stay with me because by the end of this episode, I will reveal the brutal nickname Napoleon gave him. It says everything.
The culture traitor.
Born into nobility in 1754, Talleyrand was marked from birth. A limp made him unfit for the military, so they sent him to the church. But he was never a man of faith. He was a man of power, fluent in multiple languages, trained in philosophy and diplomacy. Talleyrand betrayed the clergy to join the French Revolution and then betrayed the revolution to join Napoleon. He is not just a historical figure. He appears in Stefan Zweig Fouché and even inspired chapters in Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power. Why? Because he didn't just play the game. He shaped the board.
Second, the master of survival.
Talleyrand served under the Bourbon kings, then the revolution, then Napoleon, then the restored monarchy, and each time he didn't just survive, he thrived. In 1815, after Napoleon's fall, he sat at the Congress of Vienna. France was defeated, humiliated, but Talleyrand, he convinced Europe to keep France intact, a diplomat representing the loser who walked away like a winner.
The man beyond morality.
Talleyrand once said, "Treason is a matter of dates." He didn't care about ideologies, he cared about continuity, about institutions, about making sure France didn't fall apart. That's why some call him traitor, others a genius, maybe both. And now the quote I promised. Napoleon, in one of his angriest moments, described him like this:
"A pile of shit in a silk stocking."
Vulgar, yes. Accurate, absolutely. I'm Gus Pérez, this is the State Machine.